To get the old version of VideoPad Editor on oldversion.com, you'll first need to make sure you remove all the program files associated with any other version of VideoPad Editor. So if you downloaded the newer version of it, you might want to go and remove all those program files and make sure all the folders are deleted as well by using CCleaner or various other methods of cleaner and defrag your computer first, because you don't want the old version to associate with the new version. It will try to update itself if you try to install an older version of VideoPad Editor if you've already had files associated with the new one. When you go on the VideoPad Editor site, you click VideoPad, type it in, click download, and then there you go. You got VideoPad Editor. There is a software key for the professional version somewhere online, but it doesn't work for this site because I think the version copies of the program is after the fact that it's been fully the trial version, like it's like beyond the trial version where it skips all that for you after the trial period has ended. So that's basically where you get the old version of the program that I always use for years. I've been using this since I started YouTube, and sometimes I use other versions of different programs, but this is the best one I've found that works with different layering, that you can edit your videos and add multiple layers with audio and overlays.